It's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today is release day. I am sharing the box of the month. So we have 2 6x6 paper pads, 2 ephemera packs, 4x6 stamp set, another 4x6 stamp set, and another 4x6 stamp set. So you get all these goodies in the box. It is super exciting, guys. And today we are launching the brand new junior box of the month. So I'm going to bring you down to the table and we're going to check it out. We are doing a hop-in giveaway to celebrate our brand new release. It's called Farm Fresh. We have a brand new box of the month and we are introducing the junior box today. So let me share what's in the box. You can purchase these boxes as a one-time purchase or join the club. When you join the club, you'll see a drop-down menu that says monthly for your frequency, and that will get you an 18% off discount. And you will be on auto ship every 30 days until you cancel. So we have 3 stamp sets that are in the larger box. These are 4x6 stamp sets. We have Farm Scene Builder, which goes with the Farm Friends. And then we've got Happiness is Homemade. These stamps are absolutely adorable. So you're going to see projects on this hop showcasing the items from the box. So check it out, guys. I did some cards and I had so much fun creating. So this one I used the Farm Scene Builder for my background. And then I used the Farm Friends for these cute little chickens and the sentiment. Just chicken in on you. And then I have a little scene on the inside, black and white, and I thought I could just write a little message there. So that was fun. If you want to see the details, go back to my sneak peeks. I have process videos for all the cards. Here's a card I did using the paper and the cute ephemera. Used the sentiment from the Farm Friends stamp set. So this paper pad here is the Farm Life paper pad. It is just so cute. It's got a lot of wood grain in here, some gingham and florals. Very cute and farmish. We've got Farm Sweet Farm, and this one's got more of like a bolder print. It's got some florals. It's got some really cute designs in here. The animals are adorable. The sunflowers, the stripes, super cute. You can go back to my my sneak peeks. Go back to my sneak peeks to check out everything in detail. And then the coordinating ephemera you get, of course. So this ephemera pack here matches the Farm Sweet Farm. So this ephemera here matches the Farm Sweet Farm. And I did use the ephemera on these 2 cards here, which they turned out so cute. So love those characters, the beautiful papers. Used a little sentiment howdy from the stamp set. Just adorable. So this is the larger box. You get this cute ephemera here that matches the Farm Life, which is the card I used for that one. You get this ephemera here that matches the Sweet Farm Sweet Farm collection. And you get these 3 stamp sets. So this is the larger box. You can purchase it as a one-time purchase, but the best deal is to subscribe to the box. Our junior box, you are getting the Farm Sweet Farm paper pad, the Farm Sweet Farm ephemera, the Farm Scene Builder, and the Farm Friends stamp set. So this is a smaller price point and less product. If that's something you're looking for, the junior box is going to be perfect for you. So you can subscribe to the box and save 18% off or purchase it as a one-time purchase. So there's a drop-down menu. You're going to open that up to choose your frequency, and then you'll choose monthly, and that will get you on auto ship. So there are some other items you could purchase this month on release day. We have a brand new die set, which is so cute. I'm so excited about this die. So this die measures 4 inches tall. You can use the die without all these other elements. If you wanted to have a cute little tag die in your stash, this is a really cute shape. And it has that little border at the bottom here that you can add these little circles. And then it's got the sentiment, farm fresh eggs, a little star, and then the pieces to put the little chicken together. And for the eye, I used the little pop out from the hole for the tag on the top. I used that for the eye. Otherwise, you can just paint it in with a pen or marker or something like that, or add a googly eye. These sentiments here are also available. These are the chicken sentiments, and these are going to fit perfectly in the stamps in this tag. So you can also create some fun tags with these cute chicken sentiments. So let me go ahead and read that really quickly. We've got Crazy Chicken Lady. I just want to drink my coffee and pet my chickens. Guess what? Chicken butt. Now, how many of you have said that when you were growing up? We've always said that. They call me the chicken whisperer, chicken mama. This chicken don't give a cluck. I'm fluent in foul language. Welcome to our coop. So really fun set. Now we have a new addition for the Paper Pad Club of the month. So these are our new designs for June. We have summer donuts and summer gingham. So summer gingham matches perfectly with the summer donuts, perfect to pair up together. You have the option now to add the coordinating ephemera. So when you subscribe, you're going to see a drop-down menu that asks you, would you like to add the ephemera? Yes, or no, I don't want to add it. So you'll choose one. So you're getting 18% off when you add it to your recurring order. So you're getting a discount when you add the ephemera to your reoccurring order. You get 18% off when you subscribe. Let me pop this open really quick so you can get a peek. I did share this in a previous video, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but just so you get an idea, there is some cutouts in here that you can cut out and use. So if you didn't want the extra ephemera, you always have the images that are inside the paper pad. So Teresa always adds some images in the Paper Pad Club designs. So it's just an adorable, adorable paper pad. And this month's stamp and die set I'm going to share after this goes really nicely with the Summer Donuts paper pad. Let me pop this one open really quickly so you could see the summer gingham. Just really, really beautiful. Beautiful colors. We also have the spring gingham available. So that's on the website. So if you wanted to pick up both of those, you'll have a lot of colors in gingham. Love gingham. So let me share the stamp and die of the month. Okay, so here's the stamp and die of the month called Donut Fun. So it is really, really super fun with these cute little donuts that are like in character. We have a panda, a fox, a cat, and a bear. We have a plain donut. We have some sprinkles, and we have the sentiments. Do not worry. I hope this card makes you smile. I do not know how to thank you. Just roll with it. So you can put do not worry, be happy. Thanks a whole bunch. And donuts fix everything. So the die will cut out the centers on the donuts and also the sentiments. The only thing it won't cut out is the sprinkles. So the sprinkles are more of a background stamp, and you can kind of sprinkle them onto your plain donuts there. So super, super fun. Excited about that. You'll see projects on the 7th with the YouTube hop with the design team. So I will be playing with that on the 7th. And please note, we also have another ephemera add-on. I can't share it because it's not here yet, but it matches the Farm Sweet Farm paper pad. So it is an addition to the Farm Sweet Farm ephemera. It just has more different images. So you can also pick that up. But please note my 2 ephemera packs, the one that goes with the donuts and the one that goes with this one, Farm Sweet Farm, is delayed. So it will be shipping to me around June 7th through the 9th, somewhere in between there. So I expect I'll have it by June 15th, and I will be shipping out the orders for anybody that added those 2 ephemeras to their order. So your orders will be shipping out a little bit late, so please be patient with that. If the ephemera gets here early, awesome, I'm going to ship your order right away as soon as it gets here. If you're already a paper pad subscriber and you want to add on the ephemera pack, email me through my website and I will manually add that to your reoccurring orders. So thank you so much, guys, for watching and supporting. Make sure you hop on over to the next person. You can click the hashtag N2S Farm Life, or you can go into the description box and I'll have some of the links to the creators on the hop, and you can find them there. So thank you, guys, and I will catch you real soon. Bye, guys.